This is Kitchen Radio coming to you with another episode of Culinary Heroes from Kitchens Past. And today is Gaston Lenôtre, the guy who brought French pastry into the modern era. This is a hot raspberry souffle, and it's pretty damn good. Let's make it. These are raspberries that I blended up, and then I put through a fine sieve. This is a hot raspberry souffle, so rather than using a raspberry syrup, we have fresh raspberries, which we are now reducing. We'll allow that to continue on low heat. All right, here comes milk, sugar, mix that together. Slowly bring that up, and in the meantime, we're gonna get egg yolks and flour together. And the milk is just coming to a simmer, so that means we can start to temper the eggs. So this is the custard stage. Eggs are tempered, very important to get that initial heat stage up. And now, movement is very important. It's almost like you're making concrete. Something we all do in our free time. It's that it's physically thickening. Let's see our progress. You can see the difference in the first one and the second one. The edges of the second one are holding more than the first, and that's just because things are thickening. At this point, we come in with cold butter. Stops any more heat from happening by adding some coolness in there, and it also gives us well, a wonderful aroma, that's for sure. And let's just do one more test and we're gonna let this cool. So here we are, back at the spoon. Really nice. Flavor is delicious, you can see hanging here. This is a custard for sure. All right. So we're just gonna let this cool to room temperature and then we'll cover it and put it in the fridge. Boom shakalaka. We have nice and cooled custard here. Egg whites in. Okay, here we go. Gonna add our raspberry to the custard. What a beautiful color. It looks like ketchup and mustard. I love it. Very nice. Whew. All right, this is the tough part. Now we want to fold these in pretty gently, trying to keep the air in the whites, but incorporate it with as little movement as possible. Sort of cutting through it like a knife. So that's it. There we are. I have 4 ramekins, buttered and sugared, to put some souffle mixture in. 3 raspberries in the center. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of a vanilla macaroon. Boom, boom, boom. Something like that. Top it a little more. Trying to get nice and even. Trying not to be above the inner lip here. Let's throw these in the oven. All right. Gaston's hot raspberry soufflés. They're jiggly, they've risen, they've got a nice pink color. Let's dig into this guy right here. And that's pretty delicious. Wowee. The macaroon is lovely in the middle. This has been a recipe from Gaston Lenôtre, who is the most famous pastry chef of all time. And I just thought it was really cool to make a souffle that wasn't chocolate. Who's ever had a raspberry souffle? Now I have. The question is, will you? And I hope the answer is, yes, Frank, very soon. Trop bon!